There are three ways how to link your CSS to your HTML. We'll start with the first and basic way. So as you see on the screen, we have a very basic index.html file containing h2 heading. So if we check the website, we have subscribed to the channel. So the first method is the inline method. The inline method is basically that inside the h2 heading, you use the attribute style. In this attribute, you write the CSS that you want to give to this h2 heading. So in our case, let's just give it a bigger font size. Font size 30 pixels. Now if we check, it got bigger. Now just to show you that it's getting bigger, it's really getting bigger. And for sure you can write the style that you want here. Now the second way how to write CSS in your HTML is basically the style tag. You have a tag in HTML, it's called style, and you can write in it the CSS. So for example, let's grab our h3 here. So now just check, if you check, this is our goal here. Let's make this one here bigger. So to do that, in the style tag, you first wanna call the right tag. So in our case, let's just call the tag h3, and for the h3, let's give a background color of green. Now if you check, the background color is green, and let's just give it something else just to make it more clear. Let's give it the font size 100 pixels, so it's huge. So now as you see, this is the second way to write CSS in your HTML, in the style tag. And keep in mind that the style tag is always placed in the head tag. Now the third and last way how to write the CSS is the external CSS. So to do that, you just create a new file. Let's call it styles.css, and you can write your CSS in this file. So to do that, I'm gonna grab this style here, just paste it here. And if we check, let me just refresh and be sure to save. Now if we check, there's no styles here, but we've written already the style. The problem is this style file is not linked. So whenever you create a new CSS file, you wanna be sure to link it to the right HTML file. So to do that, you have a specific tag. It's called link. You choose the link tag and be sure to give it the right directory. So the right directory in our case is /. That means in our directory now, which is this one, we wanna choose the style.css. Now the CSS and the HTML are linked. That's why everything which is written in the style.css will be taken by our browser and will be linked to the index.html. Let's check now. As you see, it's done. I hope you benefited from the video. You can grab the code in the link. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be a better coder. Here's your Jad. See you in the next video.